High above our planet, drifting silently in orbit, lies a dark object. Some say it's just space junk. Others claim it's a 13,000-year-old alien satellite, watching humanity long before we even knew how to build fire. NASA photographs it. Military radars detect it. Radio signals have been traced back to it. And yet, no one can explain what it truly is. Welcome to Void Chronicles, where we explore the mysteries that blur the line between science and the unknown. Tonight, we're diving deep into the Black Knight satellite, one of the most enduring space enigmas of all time. Our story begins not in space, but in the mind of one man, Nikola Tesla. In 1899, while experimenting in Colorado Springs, Tesla intercepted strange, repeating radio signals, rhythmic pulses that didn't match any natural cosmic source he knew. Tesla believed these signals were not of this world. At the time, the scientific community dismissed him as eccentric. But decades later, amateur operators reported the same thing. By the 1920s and 30s, radio enthusiasts across Europe picked up signals, pulses that repeated in unusual patterns. Some called them LDEs, or long delay echoes, messages bouncing back from somewhere unknown. Were these echoes a natural phenomenon, or was something in orbit sending them back? Fast forward to 1954. Before Sputnik, before NASA, before the space race even began, newspapers reported that astronomers spotted mysterious objects orbiting Earth. At the time, no country had launched a satellite. Nothing man-made should have been up there. The military dismissed it, but whispers spread. Was this the same source of Tesla's signals? A silent observer circling above? And as tensions grew during the Cold War, the idea of an unknown satellite, possibly not of human origin, terrified governments. In 1960, the U.S. Navy detected an unknown object on radar. It was massive. Unlike satellites, which followed predictable paths, this one moved irregularly, almost intelligently. They gave it a name, the Black Knight. The timing was critical. The Cold War was escalating, and both the U.S. and Soviet Union were desperate for control of the skies. Was it Russian technology, or something far older, watching both superpowers battle for dominance? The Black Knight became the perfect mystery, too advanced to ignore, too strange to explain. The legend reached new heights in 1998. During mission STS-88, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour captured images of a massive, jagged, dark object floating above Earth. NASA claimed it was nothing more than a lost thermal blanket. But the photographs told another story. Conspiracy theorists compared the shape of the object to earlier sightings. It didn't look like a blanket. It looked deliberate, constructed, designed. Beyond the photographs, the Black Knight is said to be transmitting. Amateur astronomers and ham radio operators claim they've intercepted strange signals, bursts of sound, repeating patterns, even mathematical sequences. Some researchers suggest these signals contain maps of star systems, pointing not to Earth, but to Epsilon Boötis, a star system 200 light-years away. If true, it means the Black Knight is not just watching us, it may be phoning home. This is where the legend takes a darker turn. Some believe the Black Knight is over 13,000 years old, that long before modern civilization, an ancient intelligence placed it in orbit. What if it's the last remnant of Atlantis, a forgotten human civilization that mastered technology and left behind a sentinel to watch the future? Others suggest it is extraterrestrial, a probe left by an alien race, studying Earth silently, waiting for us to advance far enough to understand its purpose. Either way, the idea is chilling. A silent guardian, older than history itself, circling above. If the Black Knight is real, why has it been so carefully explained away? Why do military files remain classified? Why does NASA insist on calling it debris when so many experts disagree? Some believe the government fears the truth would cause panic, that admitting an ancient alien satellite orbits Earth would shatter religions, politics, and world order. Others say it's simple. The Black Knight holds technology too valuable to reveal, a treasure hidden in plain sight. But perhaps the most unsettling possibility is this: the Black Knight is watching us, and the powers of Earth know exactly who it reports to. The Black Knight is watching us, and the powers of Earth know exactly who it reports to. The Black Knight satellite remains one of humanity's greatest mysteries. Is it space debris, an alien probe, or the last echo of an ancient civilization? The truth is, we may never know. But every time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere in the darkness above, a silent object is circling Earth, watching, waiting. And the question is not what it is. The question is, who put it there?